So now let's see how we can work around with GoPro Lens Reframe effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply the GoPro Lens Reframe effect, you need to go around over here under effects right here, and then you need to scroll down and then expand the warp section right here. So once you do that, you can see that GoPro Lens Reframe is an option over here. So what you need to do is you need to go around and click and drag that out over here on the footage right here, just like this. And then what happens is that the effect is applied. And over here you can see that you can choose around the projection that you want right here. Like for example, you can see that it reframes this out as 16:9 1080p GoPro footage right here. Or you can go around and choose, let's say for example 4:3 right here, and you can also go around and go for SD scope right here and so forth right here, just like this. And you can go around and choose the projection that you like, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around and pan this out right here, just like this, and you can see that as I click and drag it out, you can see the GoPro like effect right here. You can just go around over here and see that this is what you have right here. You can also go around and tilt it out right here. Let me just go around and type in 0, and if I were to click and drag this out, you can see that this is how it seems right here. It just goes around and mirrors out everything. Then you got the rotate option over here as well, but I'm not going to rotate out anything. You can go around and work around with the lens, and you can just go around and then distort it out right here, just like this. And as you distort it, you get more like a GoPro effect, as you can see right here. So as I go around, you can see like more of a GoPro effect right here, and you can zoom in or zoom out as per how you like right here, just like this, to get a more GoPro effect. You can go around onto advanced controls and then offset it out right here, just like this, as you can see, and this is what you have right here. You can go around and offset it right or offset it left right here, according to how you want. And you can also offset it onto the Y or Z axis right here. But since it is mirrored, if I were to go around and offset it, you can see that that is how it seems right here. So you can go around over here and do this, as you can see right here, and then work around with it. So that is how you can go around and work around with GoPro Lens Reframe effect. And you even have the motion blur effect right here, and keyframe effect, sync keyframe effect, and you can go around and work around with the shutter angle effect as well. That actually gives a different look, as you can see right here, just like this. As I move around, you can see that that is how it actually looks. So I'm just going to go around over here and then work around with the offset, and you can get the look that you want right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the GoPro Lens Reframe effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.